everybody, it's Carrie with Seed to Spoon. We have a snow day today. Woo! So we are playing dress up and coming out in the garden, and we are gonna plant some things in the snow. So today we're gonna plant some peas and some carrots. Woo! And we're gonna also talk about the top 5 reasons why every garden should have peas.
Like a carrot. Mom, we can go outside and do it.
Yep.
Yeah? We're getting stuff ready, right?
We're getting stuff ready.
Mom, you got 6 labels.
Yep. So we're gonna plant
3 plus
6 things.
3 is 5 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. Great.
The first pea that we are going to be planting is a super sugar snap pea, and this leads us to the first reason why I think every garden should have peas is because it tastes amazing. So these sugar snap peas are ones that are supposed to be super sweet. Tastes like sugar, right? Yep. If you haven't tried peas from the garden, you definitely need to, because you are missing out. Peas from the garden taste so good.
Can I put that seed in?
Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we are going to put one of these at each trellis line right here. So come right over here, put it in right there.
Mom, I like to do this. I can't reach.
Can't reach it?
It's hard.
Yeah. Okay, so all we need to do is just push it down in there. And this is, I would say, number 2, why it is so great too, because it is so easy to grow as well. As you can see, we're planting this in the snow. Peas that we're going to be doing are the pea sugar lace, and these ones are supposed to be extremely prolific and taste good still. But, which leads me to number 3 on the list. Peas are extremely prolific, and you will get a lot of peas just from one single plant, which compared to other things such as like carrots, carrots, it's 1 seed, 1 carrot. But with peas, you plant 1 seed, you get countless peas. It's amazing. The next peas that we're going to be growing is a snow pea, which is appropriate for today. And this is a white sugar dwarf, which leads me to one of my next points about peas. They are great space savers. So all of these peas like to trellis up, and they don't take a lot of space in your garden. So especially these ones are a dwarf variety. These ones will especially be really great space savers. So if you have minimal space in your garden, peas are a great addition. Okay, so now we're going to move to planting carrots, which will be the 5th point of why you should grow peas also. So peas are one of the few variety or types of plants that can actually hold nitrogen from the air, and they store it in their roots, which is really great because nitrogen is something that's essential for other plants and for them to thrive. So whenever you have peas next to other plants, such as carrots, they are a fantastic companion. It really helps benefit them. So we are going to plant them together today, and let's plant some of the rainbow blend first.
Can I put some in?
Yeah, both of you are. These rainbow carrots are our favorite variety because they are so pretty, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is what's called seed tape. These, if you can see, these seeds for carrots are super tiny. So they can be really difficult to plant, especially if you have little ones helping you like I do today. So these are super helpful to go through. They're already spaced out, and you just plant the tape down directly into the soil. So here you go, Mary. Let's get to here.
Whoa.
Whoa. Okay, here we go. What to do now is just bury it slightly. So push it down a little bit.
Okay.
And bury it under the soil.
Like this.
Yep. There we go.
I'm burying.
Okay, Junior, you want to do the same ones?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay,
Ready?
just like what Mary's doing over there. Yep, ready. You push those down a little bit and bury them under the soil. Yeah, grab the rainbow carrot for yours over there. And finish planting them underneath.
So that one, put it right.
I'd put it right here in front of it. And here's your label for you to do when you're done. And then in this middle area, I'm gonna be doing a carrot Merida seed tape, just like the princess. Hey Mary, you know that you were named after the Princess Merida and brave?
Yeah.
Because you were so brave when we had you.
Okay, can I do that? Was I so brave?
You were so brave too.
Oh.
But Mary had to have a lot of blood drawn and stuff like that when she was at the hospital.
Was that when we were a
You
baby?
didn't have to do any of that.
Mom, can I put this in?
Yeah, put that in right here.
Oh, am I right here?
Yeah.
Right here, Mom?
Yeah, that's perfect.
I got one. Can I do the next one? Good.
Here, you want to finish ripping it?
Yeah. I'm going to put it right here.
Okay. Very good.
Oh, there's some fly away.
Yeah, it's starting to get windy out here.
Okay, now we need to hurry. We have to dig them in.
Yeah, we got plants.
Ready for okay, I'm going to do that. I'm going to get that ready.
Okay, you get that one ready.
The orange carrot, I'm going to get you all puffed in there. Okay, carrot? Uh-oh, this one. It's okay, carrots. Carrot, carrot, carrot. Baby carrots. Also carrots. Mom, in the morning are the carrots gonna grow?
I don't know if they won't come by in the morning, but we will have some carrots hopefully soon. You know what? After this we'll put carrots in the Garden Plus section, and we will put that we planted them, and we will check when they're supposed to start sprouting. And we'll also check when we're supposed to harvest them, so that way we know when we can start eating them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Clark, you hop out of there. We don't need your help. Ugh. Come here.
I want to do it.
Clark. And if you have trouble remembering what plants go really well with each other, check out our free app. There's a section in there called Friends, and in there it shows which plants go really well with each other, and also on that same idea, which plants don't go well together. So those are two really important things to keep in mind whenever you're planting. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, with us playing dress up in the garden today on our snow day and planting. It was fun. We'll see y'all next time. Bye.